Today we're going to look at the wireless earphones. It has a Smart Touch IPX5 waterproof. I tried the earbuds for a week. It sounds crisp and clear. Excellent audio quality. And so you get the case, the earbuds, the ear gels, the charging cable, the manual. And it's small enough to pretty much put in your pocket. Now to power on, you just have to touch it, tap it for 1 second, answer call, just tap the touch bar. So to ignore the call, just hold it for 1 second, and to power off, hold it for 3 seconds. The case is elegant and comfortable, and on the bottom right I show how to connect it. And so you just hold it until you see the pretty much red blinking light. Here I'm just testing it out. It takes seconds to just put it on. I'm just trying to see if they have a right and left signal. Here's the side view, front view. And here I'm just testing it out running. See if it stays on, shaking my head as hard as I can. And so that's the earbuds.